contest. It is a triple threat match. Making our way to the ring from New York, Willow.
Not since John Cena have we seen a superstar as resilient and perseverant as this one right here. I could not agree more. Give me a break. Cena may never give up, but you two never give up when it comes to hyperbole. Been looking forward to seeing Nia beat someone up.
And her opponents, first from San Diego, California, Nia Jax.
There is no one else quite like Nia Jax. The only competitor to be in the men and women's rumble on the same night. Using her size and power to fulfill her destiny in top WWE. And tonight, expect complete fury from Nia Jax. No regard whatsoever for her opponent.
And from Australia,
This superstar has a lot of confidence, a lot of pride, but there's also a lot of respect for their opposition tonight. Oh, I get it. Great mind games at work. No, Corey, just respect. Oh, so this superstar's just an idiot. Got it.
She loves the reaction she receives from the WWE Universe, and I think she's going to take that energy into the match, too.
And what are the odds we see a temporary alliance of sorts in this triple threat?
If we do see one, Michael, I'm betting it won't last. These superstars are only here for one thing. They know that at the end of the day, it's every person for themselves.
Backslide! Pinning combination. Intercepts the pin attempt. Oh, right to the side of the face. What kind of headspace do you need to be in to succeed in a triple threat match?
A very focused one, Michael. There's no room for distractions.
I'll second that. Focus is the only way to navigate this chaos. Oh, by the hair! Whipped across the ring. That ain't right. And she saw that coming from Jax.
Trapping the wrist and the knee to the jaw.
Short clothesline hits its mark. Boom, sit-out slam.
The face has been planted.
Flat-out power. A deadlift military press.
Holy moly.
Slam. Talk about intimidation. I'm not sure if it's resilience or stupidity that's going to drive you to try and come back from a move like that. Goes on the ropes and into the ring.
Nia avoids contact.
She's headed out of the ring. Counter not a factor for her.
Big back in tow, and she has plans to take a swing at the opposition. And she anticipated what was coming.
She got put to the test there. Picked up and being carried around now. Nasty elbow shot, trying to create separation. Turns it around. A chance to win it here. He puts it into the pin attempt there. Both arms hooked. The full Nelson slam.
This sledgehammer might be what decides this match.
And she's returning fire. Brutal club. Nia The double team here.
Uh-oh. Face first.
And when it's everybody for themselves, sometimes you just have to do what's needed to get the job done. There's common enemies everywhere.
Well-placed elbow to break up the maneuver. With the counter.
Looking for more damage here.
Release back suplex.
I'll just leave it at this. Nobody comes into a match hoping to get chucked around like that.
She's going for it.
And then the 3 count.
Loving blow.
Oof.
Beautiful senton. Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches. F5! Thunderous!
That'll keep you out for good. Each competitor wants to prove that they are the toughest woman walking God's green earth.
I cannot believe the punishment these superstars are inflicting on one another. Disrupts the attack with an elbow to the gut. Getting it set up for something in the corner. Oh, basically hammering the opponent into the floor.
And for the moment, Jax gets knocked down a peg. Oh, disturbing impact.
And this is really getting out of hand here. Someone needs to step in.
Now looking for something to waylay her opponent with.
Bringing a steel chair into play here.
Spin kick to the midsection.
Settling around the kendo stick. No good can come from this. All the way up. Sidewalk slam delivered.
Picking them up. And with authority, a
Running power slam. Good golly. Driven directly into the steel stairs. Oh. She's psyching herself up now. Spear! Spear!
back into the ring she goes. Taking the action to the outside. Fireman's carry. Up and first.
F5. That puts her out. Time to take advantage.
She's headed to the outside. No threat of count out here. Everyone is on their feet in this building.
Thunderous headbutt by Jax. And Nia is thinking about ending it right here. This'll do it. Annihilator.
Jax just turned the lights out.
2 count and a kick out. No one saw that coming.
How close was that?
That's about as close as it could get without it all being over for her. Nia Jax expected her hand to be raised by now, but she's going to have to try a little harder. The WWE Universe is showing their appreciation for the action they've seen.
It has been an absolute war out there. These superstars' efforts are not lost on this crowd. She goes under the ropes, back inside.
And again. Momentum clearly on the side of Nia Jax.
Just brutal attacks coming from Nia Jax.
Watch this is nasty.
Brutality.
Treating the cranium like a basketball.
Turn Nia Jax around now.
She might be able to start mounting something here.
She's showing some signs of life here.
Ruthless striking.
This can't bode well.
I don't know how much fight's left after that.
Inverted atomic drop incoming.
Ooh.
Burst. Here's Jax down into the cover. Fights out at 2.
Incredible resiliency. Punch. Nia Jax, so powerful, so dominant. Oh, my Lord. Oh, what a kick. Jax is being measured. Great reversal from Jax.
Being set up in the corner for something. Oh, she was ready with the counter. Oh, and a lariat. Followed by another lariat.
Drop kick.
And here we go, returning to the ring.
Right to the kidneys from behind.
I think we're about to see it. Crosses them all the way up. The setup, and there's the powerbomb. Jax on the verge here.
With a power slam. This building is rocking right now. Can you blame him?
Nia Jax taunting a fallen opponent.
It knew what was coming there.
Uh-oh. Backbreaker. Such a potent display of power and control there. Side Russian leg sweep, takedown, and these will keep you down.
Oh, debilitating elbow.
Strong impact.
Uh-oh. Ooh, caught with a knee to the mush. Shoulder tackle.
Oh, she puts the brakes on that.
Able to slip away.
She gets bounced into the corner.
Fireman's carry. Up and face first.
F5. There is no way she gets up from that.
The cover. Almost had her, but she gets the shoulder up.
And Nia Jax is still in this.
Yeah, I'm seeing another big move. That is how you put away your opponent.
Within inches of victory, only to have it snatched away.
This match just keeps getting more and more exciting.
The heaviest artillery has been used, but it's not enough for the three. Oh, my God, look at this.
Double suplex.
Oh, my God, clothesline.
And she heads out to the floor. Obviously was in need of a breather.
She's back in the ring now. And Nia again, shot down again as this match goes on.
Yeah, Nia's looking like a shell of her dominant self here.
Nia Jax brushes that one off.
Stuck in the tree of woe. And
They are doing whatever they please.
neckbreaker.
And then quickly the cover.
Kick out. She still has life.
Now is not the time to wallow in disbelief. Pressure must be kept on.
Step up enziguri.
Nia Jax out halfway. All the way up.
Driven down with a sidewalk slam.
Here we go. Cover. Two. Breaks the close count.
Where is she finding the strength?
This is unreal.
What impact. She escapes the attack.
Bear hug. Squeezing the breath out of them. Bending the...
And the bear hug trying to escape, trying to find a way out, and mission accomplished.
Stick right to the head. Elbow drop on target. Nia Jax taunting her opponent.
Taking a moment to get...
Uh-oh,
letting down the hatches. Thunderous!
And that took Nia down.
Oh, here we go. This is raw power.
She's getting back to the ring. Under the ropes.
This could put a stop to Nia.
Kick. Nasty kick. She's looking to go top rope here.
Now look at this laser focus. She's looking.
Incoming.
Missile drop kick.
This could be over right here. Jax just turned the lights out.
2.
Got it. Survived the triple threat match.
That match deserves another look, folks. Two other hungry competitors who were in this match.
3 women came into this match, but only one wanted it the most. You are looking at her.